In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the mouse pointer shadow effect on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, select mouse pointer and touch. And then scrolling down, there should be something that says Enable Mouse Pointer Shadow. Toggle this to the on position to enable that, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.